Welcome back. See, this is the material master created for testing. I am selling this material for 50 USD and procurement cost is 10 USD. My profit is 40. Right now I don't have stock for this material. Go and check MMBE, enter this, execute. Right now I don't have stock. To sell this material, we need to procure the stock first. So for that reason, we need to execute this procurement cycle. Once we complete this procurement cycle, a next step is to execute this order to cash cycle. This is called OTC. This cycle. So we are going to procure the stock in this step. These are the steps. Purchase order, release, MIGO. So invoice, if you want you can do invoice. Now go to purchase order creation. I am not creating any info record here. If you want you can create info records for your testing. Go to ME21N. Here take any vendor, press F4. Take this. This is my material number. I need 100 quantity. Price is 10. Storage location 0001. Check for consistency. We don't have any issue. Save this. Note down this number. ME21N. ME29N. MIGO. This is my PO. We are not doing invoice verification. Next step is to release this purchase order. ME29N. Release. Save this. Next step, receiving the stock against purchase order. Select here goods receipt, purchase order, enter, press enter. See, we are receiving this stock. Check for consistency. We don't have any issue. Post this. Now go to display document, press enter. See, this is the document posted. Trading goods to GRIR. If you want, you can complete invoice verification. Here I am ignoring this step because we tested this many times. Now go and check the stock balance. Go to MMBE. Execute this. See, now stock is available here. In next step we are going to start order to cash cycle.